Hey guys, welcome to another lock video. So as you see, my hair looks pretty decent. It depends on who you're talking to. I think it looks decent. I am currently 3 weeks post a retwist. And the reason why I say it looks pretty decent is because I did not work out at all from the time I got them done up until now. And I think I maybe could have did like a light walk, but I didn't do anything that'll cause disruption to my roots. And that kind of brings us into what today's video is about. Me interlocking my hair for the first time, which we will talk about as the video goes on. But I just want to jump in, say hello, kind of give you guys, an idea as to what this video, well, if you read the title and if you saw the picture, you know what it's about. But I guess voiceover wise, but I don't want to be talking the whole time because y'all know I will talk the whole time, and I know y'all don't always want to hear me. Well, some people do. I don't know, but anywho, um, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, stop talking, and let you guys finish watching me shampoo my hair. Alright, so let's talk about it. Interlocking. Why am I choosing to interlock my hair this time go around? Well, some of you know, some of you may not know, some of you may not even care, but I am on my second set of locks. And with my first locks, I never interlocked my hair. I think I tried like one and I just completely stopped. I was like, I'm not about to do this. This is stupid. But I can say I really like the benefits of interlocking your hair. And I feel like I will probably like rotate between interlocking and doing like your traditional retwist. Okay. So the first retwist you saw me using, I used like the actual interlocking tool, but I was having a lot of issues with it. It wasn't like any bad issues. I just really couldn't get my lock to stay on there. And so it's like, well, I'm not about to be here all day longer than I need to be, so I switch over to my latch hook to interlock. Okay, so one of the biggest benefits I love about interlocking is that your I guess retwist or roots that thank you, that's what I was looking for. Your roots, they hold longer than your traditional retwist. So as I mentioned earlier, I did not work out, and that's why my hair still looked pretty decent. For me, I sweat really hard in my hair. Not only am I training for a half marathon, but I run, I work out, as well as dance at church, and I'm just like a pretty active person. But I'm like a really bad sweater, right? I sweat really, really hard in my hair, and so the traditional retwist does not tend to last for me. Now I will still do, like I said, I will still do them. I may rotate between the two, but I wanted to try and see what the interlock life was about, see if it's something that I would like. And since recording this video and doing a voiceover, it has been close to like about 2 weeks, and I have been loving it. I have already shampooed my hair once since my hair has been interlocked and my roots are still together. In regards to the rotation that I am doing a 2 point rotation. It was a struggle just to do the 2 point, so that's why I did not stick to doing the 3 or the 4 point. But I am doing 2 point rotation. Would I ever do the other ones? I don't know, because again, not sure if I will alternate. Even though I said I would, I still don't know. But if I do decide to do it again, I probably would just stick with the 2 point um, rotation. Now, I will say, if you ask me, well, what rotation should I use? You want to do whatever rotation is best for you. It's kind of hard for me to say which rotation for you to use, especially not knowing the type of locks that you have, the size that they are. But I'm still new to the what is this thing called, interlocking. So I really can't speak much on it, but I know as of right now, 2 point is what I am doing. All right, you guys. We are about to come to a close. A couple more clips left of me doing the video, and then of course I will show you all the finished. What is a finished? The finished product at the end. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you all have a wonderful and a blessed day. My kids are home, so I have to get off because they about to start talking so loud. Okay, hi baby. All right, you guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Want to say hi?
Hi.
That was Elijah. You want to say hi, Josiah?
Hi.
And that was Josiah. All right, bye.